This is a beautiful restored 1950 Buick Super 4-door touring sedan. That front end has that bumper slash grille that was very controversial at the time. Wide white walls, the oval cutouts there in the hood, the so-called portholes, and this year they were oval in shape. There is a replica of the original interior, just absolutely gorgeous. Deluxe steering wheel, Dynaflow, controls that are matched on either side of the central part of the dash, the radio. Notice the turn signal that is right there by the quadrant selector for the Dynaflow on the right hand side. Pull down armrest and the divided glass here back in the back window. Cigarette lighter and ashtray, and dual ropes to assist in getting out of the car. A very deluxe car. Now in the back, the owner has some luggage that he's put in the trunk, and that was typical of the day in the very deluxe cars. Now this isn't supplied by Buick, but some cars had fitted luggage in the back, and this certainly could pass for that. And we open the back door, see another view. Now we're seeing that gorgeous dash. Amazing. Buick had beautiful dashes at this time. And now we're getting a look at the engine. Of course, it's the overhead valve straight 8, 128 horsepower. See the all bath air cleaner and oil filter. And now we take a look at the individual elements of that grille. The owner told me to have each piece of that, each tooth of that grille re-chromed was $250 plus $700 for the bumper itself. That gives you an idea of the cost involved in restoring a classic car like this.